Hi, Steve. And this video, along with the rest of this day, seems like. Anyway, I'm trying to true up, fine-tune my ballistics calculator app, the Hornady app on my phone. So I'm checking the rifles at 0 at 100 yards, making sure they're all still at 0. And then I got a 16-inch still target out at 800 that I'm going to correspond. In this case, the elevation, this is my Mossberg MVP. It says to go up 32.5 MOA, so that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to walk it in, and then I'll adjust the ballistics coefficient on the app to get to that setting on the app, whatever the physical real life one is. So I've shot a few rounds through it. Like I said, I checked the 0. The 0 is actually good on this one. This is a 4 to 16 power scope to arc in, so it's a little farther away from me, but I think I'll be able to see where I'm hitting, I hope. So let's see what I do and how it works. And it's also about 30 degrees out. I'm freezing, on the verge of shaking damn near. Okay, there's a wind and it looks pretty strong. Left to right. I'm actually going to turn my windage up quite a bit to the left, because this bullet's obviously a lot slower than my 24-inch rifles. Trying to get comfortable in here. Okay, see how I do. Hi. So it looked like about, from what I saw, about 2 MOA high. Windage I got right. So come down to 2 MOAs. So now I'm at like 30.5. I'm not sure. I didn't see a splash, and even though I got a hit indicator up there, I think the scope is too weak for me to see it properly. I don't know, but I do got the other camera on it, so I'll be able to go back and look at this and hopefully see what the hell is happening out there. Again, I am not seeing nothing. I'd hope I could see a splash in the dirt. It's really dusty up there, but I'm just not sure. I'm out pretty far at 800 yards for a 16-inch barrel rifle. Okay, now that was obviously high and a touch left, and it made a nice big splash. So hopefully, maybe those other two were that I couldn't see were actually hits. That'd be nice. And that one was high. I'll do one more if I'm high. I will come down. I should have 5. Should have 2 shots left. But I can always reload. Did not see that one. And that one looked low. So I think I'm right at the verge, at the limit of this rifle, really. So I'm actually gonna call it right there. I will make a note of it. I'll check the video and see how it actually hit, or if I was hitting, if I was overall high, overall low. But I think I was like right in the middle there. So we'll see how that goes. All right, thanks for watching. Hi, Steve. And I'm out here just doing some shooting. I'm going to play around a little bit. This is my 16-inch AR-15. I'm actually going to be just shooting at a 16-inch still target at 800 yards. Yeah, the scope's only a 1:5, so I can barely see it out there. But I'm just out playing around, and I already had a target set up because I was doing other shooting with my other long-range rifles. So I'm just going to, you know, see what I can do. I got the turret turned up pretty high. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to see the splash. I got the other camera set up, but honestly, I'm not sure how this is going to work out. But yeah, I have extra ammo and I got a few minutes, so why not give it a shot? All right, so I got 20 rounds, 75 grain hollow point, and a really long ways off to the target. Look like low. And I need to go to the left. I forget which way is left on these. This way. I'm gonna go there. You got a little bit of wind up there, but I can't even see my flag with this scope. Again, still low. At least I'm seeing the splash. That's something. I did not see that one. Hopefully the P900 camera's picking it up. Okay, it looked like off to the right. But my elevation is in there somewhere. It's hard to tell exactly where, but I saw some dust flying off, but again, I can't tell where. The little center dot of this scope is covering up the entire target. So that's how small it is for me. Again, I'm seeing dust, but I can't tell if I'm hitting high, low, left, right. I'm actually going to aim just a touch off to the left, see what happens. Now that, I thought I saw some dust up high, but I'm not sure. I'm going to try it again. Okay, that hit low and left. And that hit left. I couldn't make that out. I saw some dust flying away, but I couldn't tell where it came from. I didn't see nothing that time. Missed it. Again, I'm missing it. Saw some dust fly off, but again, can't tell where it's coming from. And that hit to the right, it looked like. I couldn't tell where that one hit. I did see some dust fly off, so I'm gonna say it was a little low. Yeah, I think that one was low too, but it's hard to tell. That one might have been a little high. I'm actually kind of adjusting, you know, little Kentucky windage. Yeah, that hit, I think, low. I did not see anything. Anyway, yeah, overall I'm going to say I did okay, even though I can't see where I was really hitting at. I don't have a spotter with me today, so it's check out the camera later and see what actually happened. So, all right, thanks for watching.